Woomera Mining started out in 2010 as Woomera Exploration Limited, and through a number of transactions and acquiring tenements, we now have a tenement portfolio of 19 tenements over Western Australia and South Australia, focusing on lithium, cobalt, copper and nickel. And we have a very experienced board keen to commence exploration. Musgrave Province, we've got 4 tenements right up on the South Australian Northern Territory border. The railway line Adelaide to Darwin goes right through the middle, and we've identified 12 geophysical, geochemical targets that are drill ready. And more recently we signed a heads of agreement with Oz Minerals to explore on our behalf, and they will commit $7.5 million in exploration expenditure over the next few years to earn an equity position. The Pilbara region, we've got 3 tenements in the Pilgangoora area, which is right at this point probably the hottest property in Australia, in fact in the world, for hard rock lithium. We also have tenements around Mount Catlin, which is the Galaxy's lithium mine in Ravensthorpe, and we've got 5 tenements over the lakes areas in Western Australia which have been identified as having elevated lithium. Gawler Craton is where Woomera exploration first started 7 years ago. We identified, as soon as the state government allowed access to what was otherwise defence ground, we were first movers in, were able to identify some targets based on geophysics, predominantly coincident gravity and magnetic signatures, and we have 3 of them, and they have striking resemblance to the signatures that sit above deposits as big as BHP's Roxby Downs deposit, Olympic Dam, and the Carrapateena iron oxide copper gold project. So we've got 3 at Carolinia, we've got 1 at Labyrinth, and we've got another one in the Noah domain which await drilling. Looking to raise a minimum of $4 million and a maximum raise of $7 million. Well, money will go towards exploring, and our principal targets, our first cabbers off the rank, will be at Pilgangoora, in the lithium project in Western Australia, and in the Gawler Craton of South Australia, in addition to starting exploration under the Oz Minerals heads of agreement, which we should be on the ground in the Musgrave Province in April of next year. We're explorers primarily, and our aim is to find, add value and monetise. Now that monetisation can be either through us developing our discoveries, or through joint ventures, or by actually selling assets. But the idea is to get on the ground and explore, and to provide a steady flow of news flow to our shareholders. First of all is our tenement portfolio. We have 19 tenements that cover cobalt, lithium, nickel and copper, all tremendous minerals and commodities that are required for not only today but for emerging technologies. The second is our experience as a board and as a company across business, across mining, across exploration. And last of all is our ability to monetise, to take early discoveries and take those through, either through joint venture or through sale or through developing them ourselves.